Hey guys, here's just a quick update on my Micro Mech City. It's coming along. I've got a few more towers in here, but I needed to go to the LEGO store to pick up some more pieces. So that's the best way to buy pieces in bulk, especially these little pieces. And that's going to help me build lots more towers. I do have some clear 1x2 tiles coming as well, so hopefully I'll actually be able to create a few more different designs. So again, this is what the scale is. There's going to be some taller buildings here. Now, I actually did come up with something a little bit different. I thought I needed something special in this scene, and it's actually a mini Godzilla. Now, he's going to sort of stand behind here, and we can actually adjust his legs a little bit like this, so he could actually be crushing one of these trees here like that. So that Godzilla is the scale that I'm looking for, I think. So what do you think of this guy? He's got some cute little hands here, and he's got some movable legs, and he can also move his toes and feet, so I can put him in a few different poses, which is pretty cool. Also, he's got like these spines on the back, and this tail is adjustable as well, so if he wanted to get a lower profile, he could. And he can also open his jaws like this. Now, these teeth are probably a little bit too big, but I think it looks better than actually just having the white studs in there. So this is my little mini Godzilla for my Micro Mech City. Now we could go ahead and crush the trees, and our little Micro Mech bots are going to have to make sure they can defeat him before he destroys the Micro Mech City. Now, I think I need to do a little bit more work on this Godzilla, but this is all I could come up with the pieces I had, so I'll have a little bit more of a think about it. If you've got any ideas on how I can improve this mini Godzilla, then let me know in the comments below, and I'll give you another update as soon as I get some more pieces, so I can build some more of my LEGO Micro Mech City. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thanks to everyone who's commented and made the shout out wall. I've got something a little bit different for the next video, and it should be coming out on the weekend. So don't forget to hit that bell button to be notified when it comes out. Anyway, that's all I've got time for today. Please subscribe, and bye for now.